According to the words of Dr. Stephen Ilardi, there was a radical environmental mutation with the Industrial Revolution about 200 years ago. Our environments drastically changed, but human genome hasn't. So there is a profound mismatch between the genes we carry, the bodies and the brains that they are building, and the world we find ourselves in. This is the main cause of depression due to all the research he and his colleagues did, and the cure is the change of lifestyle. They suggested 6 lifestyle-changing elements that will beat depression efficiently without any drugs. Omega-3 fatty acid supplements. Our body can produce omega-3 and omega-6, and their ratio should be 1:1, or at least 1:3. However, with the modern lifestyle, these ratios incredibly rise into 1:17. As omega-3 is shown to have antidepressant properties and contribute to brain serotonin dopamine circuits, supplementing your food with them can change a lot. Anti-rumination and social support. Of course, humans are social animals, and even if the strategy of withdrawal works in case of flu, it is the worst thing you can do while depressed. Our ancestors didn't have time to sit alone and think negative thoughts. When you find yourself ruminating, do one of these things. Call a friend, exercise, write down your thoughts in a journal, or do something pleasant like knitting, reading, or any other hobby. Spending time with others is a good way to distract yourself from rumination. Our friends and loved ones can give us a feeling of safety, support, and warmth. Exercise and light exposure. Exercise is one of the most beneficial but most difficult elements of given strategy of therapeutic lifestyle changes, because cardinal symptom of depression is low energy, which makes exercise difficult. Actually, it doesn't mean workout. Humans are not designed for unnatural movements in a gym, but for physical activity. Make aerobic exercises like walking the most natural activity, and make it social. Walk with your friends or alma mater, and even more beneficial in the nature, 30 minutes a day, 3 times a week. And it is worth mentioning the significance of sunlight to our body's functioning. Try to get optimal light exposure every morning, or at least use light box. Sleep hygiene. You can't imagine how sleeping is important for your body. When there is extra work at the office, studying for finals, or just a late night TV show for watch while you unwind, it is easy to cut into valuable sleep time. When the sun went down, there may not have been much else to do for our ancestors but sleep. While everyone varies in the amount of sleep they need, the average is approximately 8 hours of sleep per night. Try to sleep and wake up at the same time each day. Dim the lights, turn off electronics, avoid caffeine before going to sleep.